Okay, wait. What are you doing it that way for? Because, alright.
You want to put it on here and here, right? Right? Isn't that what you meant?
I meant like a huge curtain that would like
That's all I had.
a big net around the entire area. Because once you get one bird, then you're gonna have to make sure these birds don't get out as you're putting it in there.
I know. They don't.
You just gonna open this? Is
right here.
Yeah. Well, you see, that's what you gotta tell us which one you're. How
This
you're.
one
Okay,
I'm gonna-
you're gonna do that.
How about you open one and put it against the other one?
I gotta be careful. I don't take the mother in the fall.
Yeah.
Oh man. So, but if you just open the door, how can you choose who comes out?
She's gonna catch it.
Oh, you are gonna grab them. I thought you were gonna just let the door
Hold this
open.
tight so that. This is impossible, Nona. You're gonna catch a bird with a fish net?
Okay. What are you trying to do? Get
I'm
hold?
trying to hold it and then stick the hole here and see if they'll come out.
You're gonna fly. So your plan is they're gonna fly into that fish net.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna. I don't know.
I grabbed it right there.
Oh my god. I don't think they're gonna fly towards the thing that's freaking them out.
Why don't we just why don't we just grab it through the net instead of having the
You
bird?
can't. It's almost impossible to get there. I was trying to put them against the door.
That's
there.
what I'm saying. Put this door against this door.
Yeah.
Want to do that?
And then they're going to come into this
Yeah.
one.
Solid.
That's defeats the whole purpose.
Oh, they're nice down. I hate the wind.
God.
Okay, you
Now
got
who
one.
do I have? Now who do I
I
have?
don't know.
Okay, Mom. Just
You have the mother.
I have the mother.
Oh, fuck. What happened?
She got out of my hands. Give me the screen.
No, that's not gonna work.
Mom, it's just whoa.
Close that door.
Close the door.
I need.
I'm not figuring it out. I'll do it some other time. I got cooking to do.
No, that's not gonna work.
I'll get the net again. Yeah. Did I close the door good?
I'll get the door.
But the net is through the door.
Did you see her? She went somewhere.
I don't see him.
Here, Uncle Jay, take this for now.
We can't even find the bird. Fuck, here he comes.
Good.
Stay. Close the door.
Thank you. What are you looking for?
The bird.
Bird.
There's a net. There's a little net.
It didn't work.
It didn't work.
I'm trying to get them.
Where is it?
It's
Right there. Where? You try to get him where? Out of there?
Yeah.
I don't know how to
I
see
had it when it got out of my hand. It's here. I'm afraid that.
Move the water.
I'm afraid of that.
They don't like to stay low.
In the sink? We're not here.
I'm on top of it in the oven. Might be on top of the...
When's the last time we had a wait?
You're looking for it on the camera?
Yeah.
Thanks, Scott, for helping me. I'll leave it.
Maybe if we bang and yell.
We got enough for them.
She was right here.
Where could she have gone? Look for like places that she'd perch.
Like, up in here, she turns
You want the oven?
Right?
Julia.
Behind it, the toaster oven?
Oh shit, close the bathroom door. There she is. She's in the bathroom sink.
Alright, go.
She's in the bathroom sink.
Alright, we'll go in there and close the bathroom door.
The window closed?
What's that?
I was gonna throw the whole thing over there, but by the time she feels it. That was weird. I didn't see it fly in there, did you?
She's quick.
I saw her go.
What, are they killing the other bird?
No, what's happening is the
Got her?
baby's in the nest.
Yeah.
What am I doing?
They're going in.
Put her in that cage, because that's the mother bird.
An original thing.
This is the mother bird?
I'm pretty 100% sure her beak is too
You
orange.
want
Yes,
Said it was the mother bird.
it is the mother bird.
Do you want it in the small?
Yes.
No, put her
No,
back in the cage.
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
That's the small cage.
Yeah.
So what are you trying to do?
Get the babies from that cage into the bigger cage.